Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of home security and discussing the top 5 picks for the best home security cameras in 2024. Whether you're looking to keep an eye on your property, or loved ones, or simply enhance your peace of mind, we've got you covered. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check the link in the description below. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all things home and tech. Now, let's get started. Number 1. EufyCam S330 4-Cam Kit. This indoor-outdoor home security system includes 4 cameras, each offering a detailed 4 Kelvin resolution. An internal rechargeable battery with an integrated solar panel powers the cameras. Instead of relying on cloud storage, this system comes with a hub that includes up to 16 gigabytes of storage. This means there are no monthly fees or subscriptions required. As long as each camera receives just 2 hours of sunlight per day, it operates indefinitely. With AI recognition which can identify people, pets, and vehicles, the mobile app can differentiate between family members, frequent guests, or strangers. It can then generate a custom alert for your smartphone or home hub. Using the Eufy mobile app, it's easy to switch between live video feeds, adjust each camera's zoom, use the two-way talk feature, or access recordings. Through motion sensors and AI recognition, you get an alert whenever someone approaches your home. The cameras automatically record, and you can talk to the visitor in real time using two-way audio. What we love most about this system is that it comes with everything you need to monitor your home from all directions without having to pay ongoing fees. The mobile app offers a nice collection of features, while the waterproof cameras provide detailed 4 Kelvin resolution with night vision. Number 2. Blink Mini Pan Tilt Camera. This is an indoor-only smart home security camera that can be controlled with any internet-connected smartphone. Without a paid subscription, you can still access a live video feed and use two-way audio to speak with anyone who sets off the camera's built-in motion sensor. Thanks to pan and tilt capabilities, the user can remotely control the camera to get a 360-degree view, all in real time. Even when your home is dark, the infrared night vision lets you see what's happening. With a paid Blink subscription plan which costs between $3 and $10 per month, cloud-based storage is available. However, local storage using a sync module 2 or USB drive is another option. Installation and setup are super easy. You'll need to plug the camera into an AC outlet, so it only works when your home has power and active Wi-Fi. The camera can easily be used to monitor pets, nannies, or babies as well as home intruders. Number 3. Arlo Essential Spotlight Camera. This easy-to-use home security camera can be set up indoors or outdoors. It connects to Wi-Fi but does not require a special hub. Use the Arlo app to view a live feed in 1080p resolution, take advantage of full-color night vision, and talk to any human who sets off the camera's motion detector. Monitor your pet when you're at work. Use the camera as a baby or nanny monitor, or just keep tabs on your property. If you subscribe to the optional Arlo Secure Plan $4.99 to $12.99 per month, the camera can send smart notifications and automatically recognize people, vehicles, packages, or animals. You'll also get 24/7 professional monitoring and 30 days of cloud storage for recorded content. This low-cost camera uses a rechargeable battery pack for power, and you can use a mobile app to control the camera in real time, including a 12x zoom. The Arlo Essential Spotlight Camera is sold on its own, but the same app can simultaneously control multiple cameras or other Arlo home security equipment. If you mount the camera outdoors, an optional solar panel is available to keep the battery charged. One of the best things about this camera is that it's compatible with all popular smartphones and home hubs. Number 4. Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus. This outdoor security camera offers 1080p resolution. But what sets it apart is that it has 2 LED floodlights, full-color night vision, and a 105 dB security siren all bundled into a single, easy-to-install unit. For power, the camera gets hardwired into your home, and when you subscribe to an optional Ring plan for $3.99 to $20 per month, you can record video and store it for up to 180 days, as well as share photos and video clips. Using the camera's motion sensor, your smartphone or home hub will notify you whenever someone approaches your home. You can view the live feed, talk with the person using two-way audio, or activate the security siren to scare off an intruder. This can all be done from anywhere, as long as your smartphone has internet access. What we love about the Ring Floodlight is that it works in conjunction with all other Ring home security gear, including any of the company's video doorbells or home security systems. Everything can be controlled from a single app and with Alexa voice commands. Number 5. Arlo Ultra 2. If you want to view the inside or outside of your home anytime, from anywhere, and in detail, the Arlo Ultra 2 is what you're looking for. In addition to 4K video with HDR, the camera has an integrated spotlight, offers a wide 180-degree field of view, a 12x zoom that can be remotely controlled, infrared night vision, and two-way talk capabilities. Even better, you can start with just one camera and then add additional Arlo units inside or outside, and control them with a single app. Keep in mind that the Arlo Ultra 2 requires an Arlo Smart Hub sold separately, but you only need one hub to operate multiple cameras. For power, plugs into any AC outlet, or you can take advantage of its internal rechargeable battery, which lasts up to 6 months between charges, while you can subscribe to the Arlo Secure plan to unlock a range of additional features like face and object detection and access to a recorded video. The weather-resistant camera can also store content locally using an optional microSD memory card. That's all from my end. Our top 5 best home security cameras in 2024. Make sure to check the links in the description below. I mentioned each product. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching and stay secure.